Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. I am Ajit Lole, Assistant Professor Yashwantrao Chavan, College of Science, Kara. This lecture is for BSc second year student. Today I will discuss about Cretaceous of Trichy or Trichinopoly. So let's start the lecture. Cretaceous of Trichy or Trichinopoly. The Cretaceous rocks occurs along the east coast of India near Trichinopoly, Vridhachalam and Pondicherry. In the Trichinopoly area, the Cretaceous rocks are very well developed. Here they rest unconformably over the Archean or Upper Gondwana rocks. In Trichinopoly, the Cretaceous rocks are exposed in an area of about 650 square kilometers. They are mainly composed of limestone, sandstone, grit and clays. The total thickness of succession is about 2500 meter. These rocks are highly fossiliferous and they dip at low angles to the east or east-southeast. The succession of the Cretaceous rocks of Trichinopoly has been divided into four parts: Utattur Formation, Trichinopoly Formation, Ariyalur Formation and Niniyur Formation. As per table, Utattur Formation, it is again divided into lower, middle and upper. Lower formation is composed of coral limestone and clays and fossils of turrilites. The lower formation of Utattur is composed of coral limestone and clays, turrilites, fossils, hamites and belemnites. The middle Utattur formation is composed of clay. Acanthocerus is the fossil which is generally observed in that stage. Then Upper Utattur is composed of sandy beds and fossils of mammites and nautilus. Then second group of Trichy is Trichinopoly formation. It is composed of lower and upper formation. Lower formation is composed of sandstone, clay, shale limestone and fossils of Protocardium and Trigonia, and the upper Trichinopoly is composed of sandstone and clays with Placenticerus fossil. Then Ariyalur formation. Ariyalur formation is again divided into lower and upper formation. The lower formation is composed of sands and clays. The fossils are Pachydiskos and Baculites, Graphia, etc. And the upper formation is composed of sandstone and it is unfossiliferous. Upper formation of Ariyalur is unfossiliferous, while Niniyur formation is composed of sandy limestone and sandstone and fossils are Nautilus, Denicus and Cardia. This is about stratigraphy of Cretaceous succession of Trichinopoly. Let's brief on it. Utattur formation, the lower part of the Cretaceous succession at Trichinopoly is called the Utattur formation. It consists mainly of about 700 meter thick beds of coral limestone and clays. In the upper part of this formation, the clay beds contains abundant gypseous and phosphatic nodules which indicates evaporitic conditions of regressing sea. The Uttattur formation has yielded rich fossils of cephalopods, pelecypods, gastropods, brachiopods, echinoids, corals and fossil wood. These fossils indicates that the age of this formation ranges from Albian to Turonian. The chief fossils of this formation are as follows: cephalopods, lamellibranch, gastropods, brachiopods and corals. Then second one is Trichinopoly formation. This formation is composed of sandstone, false bedded grits, clays and shaly limestone. The thickness of the succession varies from 300 to 600 meter. The general coarseness of the sediment and the presence of abundant fossil wood and tree trunks indicates that this formation is of shallow water origin. The Trichinopoly formation has yielded fossils of mainly lamellibranch, Trigonia and fossil wood. These fossils indicate a Turian to lower Cenozoic age. Trichinopoly formation. Then Arreolure formation. This formation is more arenaceous and more uniformly bedded than the two lower formations. It is mainly composed of sandstones with some clay beds. The total thickness of this succession is about 300 meter. The lower half of this formation is very fossiliferous while the upper half is unfossiliferous. Among the fossils, the lamellibranch are most common. Some well preserved echinoids are also found. The age of this formation ranges from Cenozoic and Maastrichtian. These chief fossils of the Arreolure formation are as follows: lamellibranch, echinoids, ammonites, gastropods, corals, reptiles. A few species are written in front of these groups. Then Ninure formation, the last formation of Cretaceous of Trichinopoly. Ninure formation. This formation is made up of sandy limestone, shales and sandstone. These rock beds are rich in gastropods, algae and foraminifera. The ammonites are absent but Nautilus is common. The important fossils of the Ninure formation are Nautilus, Danicus, Cardita and orbitoids minor foraminifer. The age of this formation Danian. So Cretaceous of Trichinopoly. Cretaceous of Trichinopoly. It is classified in 4 different formations: Uttattur formation, Trichinopoly formation, Arreolure formation and Ninure formation. Uttattur formation is again classified into 3: lower formation, middle formation and upper formation. It is lower Uttattur formation is composed of coral limestone and clays. Middle is composed of clays and upper is composed of sandy beds. Trichinopoly is again divided. Trichinopoly formation is again divided into 2 formations: lower Trichinopoly formation and upper Trichinopoly. Lower Trichinopoly is composed of sandstone, clay, shaly limestone, while upper Trichinopoly formation is composed of sandstone and clays. Then Arreolure formation. Arreolure formation is again divided into 2: lower Arreolure and upper Arreolure. Lower Arreolure is composed of sands and clays, while upper Arreolure is composed of sandstone, which is unfossiliferous one. Then last one is Ninure. It is composed of sandy limestone and sandstone. Sandy limestone and sandstone. So this is about Cretaceous of Trichinopoly formation. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask in comment box. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.